Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check creator site on the Goodnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, go to the left bar at the screen and click to the fourth option, the marketplace, under the shared option. And here you can find the upper bar at the screen and click to the second option, the creators, next to the home. And here you can find the profile or at the top creators. You can find different news, different templates and others. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.